These lost container videos are going viral on the internet right now. And this Instagram page has gained 32.4 thousand followers just by posting this exact style of content. Some of their top videos have already reached 4.1 million, 4.3 million, and 1.2 million views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. I am going to show you the totally free method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open the detailed prompt file. The link is in the description below. Copy the idea generation prompt and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Hit enter and it will provide you a set of engaging video ideas to choose from. Select the one you like the most and paste it in. Now copy the scene generation prompt and paste it here. Hit enter and ChatGPT will provide you 5 complete video generation prompts, one for every scene of your video. Everything you need is right here in seconds. Copy scene 1 prompt and head over to Google Flow. Select the video option. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set your desired timing. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. In just a few seconds, Google Flow will generate a fully structured scene, one for you. Now, to create the second scene, scroll to the very end of the first video and save the last frame by clicking this option. Now click on that saved frame, click the 3 dots and choose Animate. Copy the second scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter and your second scene will be ready in seconds. Repeat the exact same process until every video scene is complete. This last frame saving technique is what makes your entire video flow as one continuous, seamless sequence, rather than disconnected clips stitched together. When all your scenes are ready, download them and bring everything into your favorite video editor. Add the clips in the correct sequence from beginning to end, remove any unwanted parts, and add smooth transitions between the scenes to make the video flow naturally. Hit export and your lost container video is completely ready to go viral on the internet. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.